This is the splash pad for the kids here at the Grand Floridian. It is Alice in Wonderland themed. Very cute. The Mad Hatter's hat dumps a big bucket. Not very deep, which is great. Little water slide on this side. And then, oh, there's that. These little ropes hanging down over here are for dumping water on yourself as well. Another slide on this side. Oh, look at the cute teacups. How adorable is that? And lots of seating over here. Here's Connect 4, giant Connect 4. And then out here is a beach. This is a fun beach area. Over here you've got some games. Giant chess, ping pong, and foosball, as well as beanbag toss. Nice beachy area. All right, let's move on to the big pool now. Over here is the bar and grill at the Grand Floridian. There is a drink spot here. They're filling up those soda cups. Got a good selection of this one. And then here is just like a little grill spot. Okay, this is the pool at the Grand Floridian. There is not very big. So, oh, look at this. There is more beach over here. This is a 0 entry point. It's fun. The waterfall looks fun. Over here is some more beach chairs and sand. So there is that. Looks like there's a pathway all the way around the Grand Floridian. Go under the water or waterfall over here. So, over here is the entrance to the water slide. There is a water slide here. What I do not see though is a hot tub. See if we can find that. Going under the waterfall here. And that is literally the entire pool. So not massive. Do not jump from the bridge. They should not have to say that, but they do. And here's the water slide. We'll take you on that. And then over here is some like cabanas. I'm pretty sure you have to rent them. But it looks like they come with food, so that's cool. And here is the bathrooms and where you pick up towels. And that is the whole pool area. If I find the hot tub, we'll take a little video of it. There's a lot of seating for how small the pool is. So this hotel is doing some renovations right now. So I'll show you the lobby, but it's mostly blocked off. But that is the pool. Look at these adorable ducks. They're little babies drinking out of the pool. This is the quiet pool area of the Grand Floridian. It is straight out the back of the main building, past the fountain. There's some nice seating here. So the canopy covers, those are good. I feel like it's bigger than the main pool, honestly. There is a hot tub at this pool, and there is not at the main pool. It is this way. Right up this walkway is the hot tub. It's the only hot tub we've seen. There is not one in the main pool. But here is the hot tub. It's actually huge. So, okay, down these stairs, the complimentary life jackets. This is like the shallow part of the pool. Those are fun little fountains. Yeah. Okay. And there is a courtyard bar right across from us, right there. Now, they call it a quiet pool because there's no music going on here, no activities. It's just a regular pool without any of the loudness. All right, there's the bar. And that is the quiet pool. And this is a nice garden, grassy area just outside the back of the hotel. There's a nice fountain in the middle. This may be where they do Movie Under the Stars. I'm not really sure, but it's just a nice quiet area. The fountain is really pretty. There's the restaurant there at the Grand Floridian. Here's the vacation club desk. It's funny. Here's the grand staircase. And across the way, this is a cool elevator. I'll see if I can get a picture of it from the side. The floor in the main lobby is really cool. There's Mrs. Potts, and over on this side, across the way, is Chip. Very cute. This elevator is so cool. Plus you can see the construction that's going on inside here. See if we can see anything. I don't know what they're doing in here, but it looks like it's gonna be awesome. It's very cool. All right. Here's the second level. Here's the second level. There are several shops up here. There's a place to take photos with a professional photographer. This is M Mouse Mercantile, is how you get out to the monorail right there. Oh man, this is like lip balm and bath bombs. Very cool. It is a nice place to sit though, check that out. That's the Enchanted Rose. Oh my gosh, look how cool these are, you guys. There's an old carriage over here and an old car. I love this. Right outside the front doors. Very, very cool. Okay, let's head this way towards the grand entrance. Now, the Grand Floridian is under construction right now, like major renovations. So basically the whole lobby is covered in a wall, but like,
welcome to the Grand Floridian.
Thank you. Over here is the lobby where you check in. Wow. Let me show you. This over here is that cool elevator. You guys, this resort is massive. It's so huge. It stretches basically to the Polynesian. You can literally walk to the Polynesian from here. Here is a little grilling area, super cute. Over here is a sports court. It looks like you can play a few different games here, but there's definitely basketball there. And then right this way is the gym. We're gonna go around this little corner. But yeah, anyway, this resort's massive. I don't have any idea how long it would take to walk from one side to the other. But can you see those gray buildings? That's the Polynesian right there. Okay, this is the fitness center.